Are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen with some incredible gadgets? Today we're bringing you 12 must-have tools that will make cooking, organizing, and cleaning easier than ever. Whether you're a home chef or just someone who loves efficiency, these gadgets will be your new best friends. Product links are in the description, so make sure to check them out and subscribe for more exciting finds. Deep fryer pot. Let's start with the deep fryer pot. This Japanese style pot is designed for perfect frying every time. It features a built-in thermometer so you can control the oil temperature with precision. Whether you're frying crispy chicken, golden fries, or tempura, this pot makes the process simple and mess-free. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to store. Get yours now. Check the link in the description. Roasting pan. If you love roasting, the Nonstick turkey roasting pan is a must-have. This pan is perfect for roasting turkey, chicken, or even vegetables. Its sturdy rack ensures even cooking, and the non-stick surface means easy cleanup. Whether it's a holiday feast or a family dinner, this roasting pan is up to the task. Want to upgrade your kitchen tools? Find the link in the description below. Tea bag organizer. Say goodbye to cluttered counters with the bamboo tea bag organizer. This sleek storage solution keeps your tea bags neatly arranged and easy to access. Its stylish bamboo design complements any kitchen decor, making it both functional and attractive. Perfect for tea lovers who enjoy a touch of organization. Check out the description for the product link. Egg holder. Next is the egg holder, a game changer for fridge organization. This large capacity organizer holds all your eggs securely while saving valuable fridge space. No more cracked eggs or messy cartons, just a sleek, tidy fridge. Want to grab one for your kitchen? The link is in the description. Electric juicer. Fresh juice lovers, you'll adore the electric citrus juicer. With its 1.2L capacity, this juicer lets you squeeze oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits in seconds. It's quick, efficient, and super easy to clean, making it perfect for a refreshing start to your day. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to learn more. Vegetable Spiralizer. Transform your veggies into healthy noodles with the 4-in-1 Spiralizer. This tool is perfect for creating zucchini spirals, carrot ribbons, or cucumber slices. Great for low-carb diets and adding creativity to your meals, it's a must-have for anyone who loves to cook. Ready to make your meals more exciting? Check the description for the link. Soda can organizer. Keep your drinks in order with the Stackable soda can dispenser. This clever organizer saves fridge space while making it easy to grab your favorite beverage. It's stackable and compact, ensuring your fridge stays neat and efficient. Add it to your kitchen. Find the product link in the description below. Egg Poacher. Get perfectly poached eggs every time with the Egg Poacher made of durable stainless steel. This tool delivers consistent, evenly cooked eggs for breakfast, brunch, or a quick snack. It's perfect for Eggs Benedict or simply adding protein to your meal. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Electric Composter. Reduce waste and go green with the Electric Composter. This 3L compost bin is odorless and efficient, turning kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost in just a few hours. It's an eco-friendly solution that's perfect for any kitchen. Want to make a difference in your cooking routine? The link is in the description. Electric Cooker. The electric cooker is a versatile kitchen tool that makes cooking soups, stews, and more a breeze. With its 2L capacity and ceramic glazed non-stick surface, it's perfect for preparing a variety of dishes without the hassle of sticking or burning. Dual power settings add extra convenience. Find out more through the link in the description. Food Mill. Create smooth, delicious sauces and purees with the Food Mill. It comes with 3 interchangeable discs, making it ideal for mashed potatoes, tomato sauce, or even baby food. This sturdy stainless steel tool is a must-have for anyone who loves cooking from scratch. Check out the link in the description to order yours now. Pots and Pans Organizer. Finally, we have the Pull-Out Pots and Pans Organizer. This clever organizer keeps your cookware neatly arranged and easily accessible. No more digging through cabinets to find the right pot or pan. It's all at your fingertips. Save time and space by adding this to your kitchen today. Click the link in the description for more details. These 12 gadgets are more than just tools, they're life changers for your kitchen. Whether it's simplifying your cooking, organizing your space, or helping you eat healthier, these products have something for everyone. All the links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out.